Good day, everyone! In the video, we are covering the 5 best portable high chairs on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start! Number 1. Our top pick is hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat with tray. Coming in at a lower price than the Bumbo, the hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat is an excellent alternative for parents who don't need quite as much versatility from their portable high chair. Also designed for use from 6 months to 36 months, it resembles a foldable adult's camping chair with a locking mechanism that ensures it can't collapse once fully opened. Removable duck feet allow the chair to be used as a floor seat even on unstable surfaces, think grass or sand on your next trip to the beach. The seat also has straps for attaching to an adult chair at the dining table, while a comfort fit, 3-point harness with an easy one-handed release keeps your baby securely in place. You can store bibs and utensils in the rear mesh pocket, and when it gets grubby, the removable swivel tray is entirely dishwasher safe. The fabric cover is designed to wipe clean but can also be removed and put in the washing machine. When not used, the chair folds into a carry bag that measures just 7 inches by 7 inches by 16 inches. Type: floor seat, chair seat, weight 4 pounds, weight limit 30 pounds. Number 2. Our second best pick is Summer Infant Deluxe Comfort Folding Booster. The Summer Deluxe Comfort Folding Booster is the cheapest option on this list, and almost a quarter of the price of the most expensive choice. Nevertheless, despite its budget price tag, reviewers praise its comfort, compactness, and ease of use. Intended for babies 6 months and older who weigh up to 33 pounds, it can be used in 2 stages. First, it is a chair-top infant feeding seat with the tray attached, and later can be a chair-top toddler booster seat with the tray removed. Fold-away legs allow for 2 different height adjustments. Other features include a 3-point safety harness, dual straps for securing an adult dining chair seat, and a removable, machine-washable cover. The tray is conveniently large so that it can be used as a feeding surface in its own right or as a support for the baby's favorite plate. In between meals, fold the booster up for easy transport and storage. There are 3 colors to choose from: gray/teal with an elephant motif, pink/cream with flowers, and tan/striped with multiple animals. Type: chair seat, weight 3 pounds, weight limit 33 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is Bumbo Multi-Seat. If your little one can already sit up unaided, the Bumbo Multi-Seat is a fantastic option that ticks several boxes. First, it's designed to be used between the ages of 6 months and 36 months, affording good longevity and value for money. Second, it grows with your child's changing needs. It can be used as a floor seat with a non-slip base that prevents tipping even if your baby is a champion wiggler. It also attaches easily to an adult dining chair for use as a traditional chair seat thanks to retractable straps that stow away neatly when not in use. And when your toddler outgrows these stages, you can remove the soft foam pad and use the Bumbo as a booster seat. Removing the pad also makes the seat roomier for larger children. It has 2 height settings, a waist strap, and a feeding tray that attaches to the front of the seat but can be easily removed with one hand for storage in a slot behind the backrest. The entire Bumbo is easily cleaned using a damp cloth and mild detergent and comes in a full range of colors from powder blue to cradle pink. Type: floor seat, chair seat, booster seat, weight 4.4 pounds, weight limit 35 pounds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Summer Pop and Dine SE Portable High Chair. Looking for an option that could realistically serve as your everyday, at-home chair as well? The Summer Pop and Dine SE Portable Highchair differs from all the others on this list in that it brings your baby to table height without having to piggyback off any other furniture. This also makes it ideal for outdoor scenarios. The fold and pop design is easy to set up and pack away and features a wide stance and locking mechanism for added stability. Use the 3-point safety harness to secure any child older than 6 months with a maximum weight of 45 pounds. The chair is also easy to clean thanks to its machine washable fabric and removable dishwasher safe tray. The latter is BPA free, so your baby can eat directly off it if you forget to bring a plate. Other highlights include a mesh storage pocket on the back of the chair and an additional wet/dry bag, perfect for storing dirty bibs, plates, and utensils. When not used, it folds into a compact over-the-shoulder carry bag. Choose yours in green, mango, or aqua sugar. Type, standalone, weight, 10.6 pounds, weight limit, 45 pounds. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is liuliuby Travel Harness Seat. For ultimate portability, it's hard to beat the liuliuby Travel Harness Seat. This fabric sling is designed to strap onto almost any dining chair with a seat back width of 21 inches or less, weighs in at just 8 ounces, and can be rolled to fit easily into your purse or diaper bag. Made from 100% polyester, it's padded for added comfort and designed for babies older than 6 months and up to 35 pounds. Your baby must be able to sit up unassisted to use it. It includes 2 straps for attaching to the chair, with anti-slip pads on the top strap to prevent it from shifting and sliding as your baby moves. Use the 5-point harness to keep them in place, adjusting it to 3 different height levels as your child grows. Parents of younger babies will appreciate the additional side loops at the waist, which are meant to keep little ones extra secure. In between uses, you can throw the whole harness into the washing machine without having to remove any parts. Type, fabric harness, weight 8 ounces, weight limit 35 pounds. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.